Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get BeamNG Drive on Windows. First, let's ensure your computer is ready for this incredibly realistic soft body physics simulator. You'll need a 64-bit operating system, such as Windows 11. For the best experience, aim for a quad-core processor and at least 16 gigabytes of RAM. A dedicated graphics card, like an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 970 or AMD Radeon RX 290, is highly recommended for smooth gameplay. Once you've confirmed your system is up to the task, the next step is acquiring the game. BeamNG Drive is primarily sold through Steam, a popular digital distribution platform. If you don't have one, you'll need to create a free Steam account. After logging in, simply search for BeamNG Drive in the store, add it to your cart, and complete the purchase. It's a straightforward process to get this fantastic game into your library. With BeamNG Drive now in your Steam library, installation is the next step. Open the Steam client on your Windows 11 computer and head over to your game library. Find BeamNG Drive in your list of titles and click the prominent Install button. You can choose where to save the game files. Be aware that the game requires at least 55 gigabytes of storage space, so the download might take a little while depending on your internet speed. Finally, it's time to launch BeamNG Drive and enjoy the incredible physics simulation. Once the installation is complete, simply click the play button in Steam. If you encounter any performance issues, make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated. Should the game not launch correctly, Steam offers a handy feature to verify the integrity of game files. For further assistance, the official BeamNG Drive forums are an excellent resource.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.